Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. I hope you're all doing great today. In today's video, we are diving into something super important, the symptoms of a bad starter. If your car isn't starting, you might be dealing with this issue. Let's get into it. What is a starter? First things first, let's quickly talk about what a starter does. It's the part that gets your engine turning, allowing the ECM to send fuel and spark to quick-start the combustion process. Without a working starter, your car simply won't start. Now, the starter's location? It's usually near the flywheel or flex plate of the engine. On a Toyota Camry, for example, this is where you'll find it. Symptom 1. No crank, no start. The first sign of a bad starter is when your car doesn't crank or start at all. This is one of the most common symptoms. What's happening here? It's often an electrical issue inside the starter. Either the solenoid isn't working, or the brushes inside the starter are worn out, making it impossible to get the engine turning. Quick tip: if you are in a bind, have someone tap the starter with a hammer while someone else tries to start the car. It might help get the starter working again temporarily by moving the brushes into better contact. Symptom 2. One-click sound. Next up, a one-click sound. If you turn the key and all you hear is one single click, the solenoid is likely activating, but the starter isn't turning. This could be another sign of an internal issue with the starter. Symptom 3. Slow crank. Another symptom is a slow crank. When you try to start your car, it takes a long time to fire up. This happens when the brush and commutator don't make good contact, which prevents enough current from flowing to turn the engine properly. Symptom 4. Free-spinning starter. You might also hear the starter running but not the engine. This means the starter is turning, but the pinion gear isn't engaging with the flywheel to turn the engine. Not good. A symptom 5. Grinding noise. Finally, if you hear a grinding noise while cranking, it could be a worn-out pinion gear. When it doesn't mesh correctly with the flywheel or flex plate, you get that nasty grinding sound. Before you jump to conclusions, though, make sure to check your battery and the connections. If the battery is weak or there's corrosion on the terminals, it could mimic starter problems. And there you have it, the 5 main symptoms of a bad starter. I hope you learned something today. If you want more car tips and repair advice, make sure to check out the Auto Repair playlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.